Alright guys, so here we are at downtown Long Beach. If you know this straightaway, you know exactly where I'm at. So those of you that don't know where I'm at, this is the straightaway for the Formula D entrance on the first turn. And then also over there are the pits. So here we have the truck. I have my new lens with me. I'll be putting some pictures up right here. But I came down here to take some pictures since I have the whole racetrack set up. So this right behind me is the convention center. I'm sorry if everything's a little bit zoomed in. The thing is that the new lens that I have, it's a 50 mil, but it should make videos a lot better. But yeah, here we are. I really love this view. The new lens makes the truck pop a lot. I really like this.
The next morning.
So here we have the Link ECU MXS 1.2 Strata cluster, and we're gonna be installing this today because I am tired of the dash, or not the dash, I got tired of the tablet that I had. It ends up doing some funky stuff. It loses connection, and then there's times where it wants to auto update while I'm driving. So getting rid of that, and we're gonna be installing this pretty thing. So let's get to it. All right, so let's get to the unboxing. So first off, we have the download user guide, we have some stickers, and we have the instructions. So when you open it, there you go. You have a nice looking dash or cluster. Let's take that out. So what comes with this is, let's see, we have our main connector. We have our data cable that we're gonna connect. That's actually not to be connected to the ECU, that's connected to your laptop, so you could program this. And then this is extra pins in case you want to add extra sensors that you can't program into the ECU, or if you run out of pinouts on the ECU. So let's get started, and let's mount this first, and then we'll start going through everything else.
The next morning.
Alright guys, so I'm hoping you guys hear me a little bit better. I did upgrade the audio system, the mic. I went with the, I'm not sure if I say it right or not, left ear microphone. It's supposed to be a wireless. I have the transmitter in the back, but hopefully the audio is a lot better. So as far as this, I could walk away from the truck around 100 feet, I think, and you guys could still be able to hear me. So before I show you the initial setup of the Link cluster, I did have to take out the alternator and the battery, and we're gonna be installing those because I just got them warranted. The alternator was rebuilt for 150 amps, and the battery, well, it just died on me. The cells were bad, so we're gonna go ahead and install those, and then I'll show you guys the screen startup. For those of you wondering what alternator this is. This is off of a IS300. I don't remember what company makes this adapter, but basically I didn't want to have an alternator that I can't buy locally. Reason being is if I get stranded somewhere because the alternator stopped working, I'll be stranded. So a JZ alternator, I could find it anywhere in AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Pet Boys, or I'm pretty sure any local shop. So I did upgrade to a JZ just to have a peace of mind that I won't be stranded. Sorry about my cough. I have the flu right now. But yeah, I mean, it works great. The built, I mean, I wish I could find a smaller one. Because it tends to squeal at cold starts, and I already tightened it as much as I can. But it is what it is. I'm still happy with it. It still does its job. And yeah, I'm happy with this. So let me go ahead and tighten this up, and we'll keep going and continue on to the battery. Alright, so now that the battery has been installed, now I could go ahead and remount my seat. My battery is back here. I'm like super sweaty right now. I was driving my Lexus right now and it said it was about 99 degrees. And then right now, being inside the truck with all the windows closed and just barely opening everything up, I would say it's like 105 in here. My shirt is soaked. But yeah, let's turn this on. Let me warm it up. Just to let you guys know right now, this plastic piece is just temporary. I am going to remake it in aluminum, and I am going to paint it in black. The ABS is not holding up. It's barely been a year, and I barely driven it, and it's already got cracked. So this is getting replaced. Alright guys, so here we go. Here's the initial setup, or the startup. It says SCRAPELUX on it. And there we go. It does have different views if I want to change them. All of these are programmable. I could change them, which I already did. I just like this screen the most. And then I did put warnings like this, for instance, 156. I put where it would tell you to turn the fan off. So turning it off now. So it will give me a warning if I'm under 165 degrees. And then it'll tell me to turn on the fan when it reaches 205. Later on, I am going to set the ECU to program the fan. That way I don't have to toggle switch the fan myself. But yeah, this is amazing. Like, I'm finally happy I don't have the tablet, because I don't have to worry about the charge on the tablet, and if I go on a far distance, this is always on. So big upgrade, big thank you to Link, big thank you to AIM Motorsports, and yeah, I highly recommend this. And yeah, let's go have some fun.